Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a very highly requested prom look. A lot of you guys were asking for black and silver, so here it is. Yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look. So if you're not new to my channel, you already know that I use my LA Girl concealer to prime my eyelid, and this one is in Cool Tan. So I'm using my 39A palette from Morphe. I'm going to use the E17 also from Morphe and go straight into the matte black and pack that in my crease. And I actually really love this black because it's so pigmented. And you really don't have to put it on up as far as I did. I mean, it's not really far up, but you could have like just brought it to like right here, because once you blend it, it's gonna get taken up some anyway, if that makes sense. I hope it does. I'm gonna take the same oh Lord, I just blinded myself. I'm gonna take the same E17 and like flick a lot of that extra eyeshadow out. And if you have a makeup rag or something, you can just use that. But we're gonna use the same brush to blend out the edges of this, and we don't want there to be too much product left on the brush. So yeah. So that's as far as I'm going to go with that. I'm going to pick up this color right here on an M506, also from Morphe, and I'm going to blend the rest of this out. Before we go back into more black, I'm going to take the brush that I use. By the way, I'll link this whole set down below because I actually love this brush along with the packing brush that comes in the set. It's one of my favorite packing brushes. But I'm going to take it and just lightly tap over here to kind of help me blend that out, and also kind of clean it up so it's not like all the way down here. So I just picked up a little bit more black and dust my brush off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease halfway. Honestly, on this eye, it kind of looks like I did like a full cut crease, but that was not what I was trying to do. I was trying to do a half cut crease and then just kind of follow my wing liner out with some glitter, and yeah, that ended up happening. So I'm gonna try to do better on this side, but we'll see. Okay, we're going back into matte black and blending out this harsh line from the concealer. Kind of let my concealer dry some. I'm not going in with any eyeshadow. I'm going to go straight into my glitter. Well, actually, I'm going to go into my duo lash glue. I'm going to put that down first, and then I'm going to be using the glitter from Baddie Cosmetics. I'm not sure what it's called, but I will put it in the description box. It's silver, but it's like a mixture of like fine and chunky glitter. So just to add some more definition to my crease, I'm going to take an angled brush and use the same matte black and just trace it out. If you mess up your cut crease, then you can do this step before you apply the glitter. That way when you apply your glitter, it'll be applied in the right spots. I'm just doing it because I want the black to be a little bit darker. And then, I know it looks really crazy, but to buff that out, I'm going to use the E18. but just let me add a little bit more glitter so it won't have like a harsh cutoff line or whatever. I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner off camera and also apply my lashes, and then I'll be back. I'm just gonna add some eyeliner to my waterline. Yo, my hands look like I work on a car or something. I'm gonna be adding some Ardell individual lashes. I'm just gonna add 3 to my waterline, and they look like this. I kind of didn't want to show y'all because my hands look gross, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna take some of this pigment from Almost Cosmetics in the shade White Diamond. Before I forget, I'm gonna go back up to my eyes, and I'm gonna take the NYX glitter liner in the shade Crystal Silver, and I'm gonna line just the top of my wing. That's how it's supposed to look, but then over here I was like, oh, let me add some more glitter, and then I added some more glitter right there, and then it turned into like a full cut crease. And I was like, oh my gosh, Kirsten, you just messed up the look, because I like this. It's different. I'm gonna take the same pigment that I just highlighted with and put it in the inner corner of my eye and underneath my eyebrow. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope it was very helpful. I hope it wasn't too hard to recreate. I hope you guys like this look. If so, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks, and I'll see you guys in my next video.